Did you know all the benefits of celery and pineapple? If taking care of your health is important to you, like this video. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you receive your daily dose of how to improve your health and life hacks.
Hi K-Organic viewers, welcome to a new video.
For today's video, we are going to talk about the benefits of pineapple and celery that you probably don't know about. Let's start immediately. Pineapple is a very delicious fruit that has incredible properties that help us stay healthy every day. However, if it is combined with celery, our body will have better benefits since both provide large amounts of vitamins and nutrients.
Watch the full video so you know how to prepare these two ingredients and know how many things they can help you.
Next, we will mention the great benefits that pineapple and celery offer for our health.
Alright friends, let's talk about pineapple's nutritional content.
This fruit contains large amounts of essential minerals and vitamins for our body to function properly. It also has a high water content and bromelain, an enzyme responsible for digesting proteins.
Okay, let's talk about celery's benefit.
Surely you have heard about the properties that celery has. Celery makes our body obtain excellent benefits. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant diuretic properties, helping to keep us healthy. If it is about keeping us in good health, celery and pineapple juice are our excellent allies. That is why it is recommended to combine them for a refreshing juice so that better results can be obtained.
Coming up next, we are going to learn how to prepare this healthy smoothie. It's very simple, so don't be afraid to try out. But before you go, don't forget to share these tips with your family and friends.
Let's get started. You must cut half a pineapple into pieces along with the celery stalks. Add a glass of water, and if you want, you can also add ice, and blend them until it is very liquid. And here comes the key to obtain all the benefits that this juice offers. It's recommended that it be taken on an empty stomach. At that moment is when your body absorbs the best of all the minerals and vitamins that this juice contains. And take another glass before going to sleep. And don't worry about the dose, since it is a juice made from natural products. It should be consumed for long periods, and it will not harm your health.
Don't leave yet. We are going to talk about the properties of celery and pineapple juice.
This is a very powerful juice that has
natural diuretic, with satiating effect, has purifying property, is able to improve blood circulation, helps to improve the functioning of the digestive system, but as if that were not enough, it also helps you burn fat.
One of the reasons to include this celery and pineapple juice in your diet is that it has the ability to burn excess fat in your body, helping to eliminate those extra kilos. Celery and pineapple help you lose weight. So now you know, if you are looking for an effective natural way to lose weight, your best option is this celery and pineapple juice. It will help you stay satisfied with low in calories. By the way, another excellent property that pineapple and celery have is that they have properties that help improve the functioning of the cardiovascular system by lowering cholesterol and thus preventing it from adhering to your arteries. Pineapple and celery juice helps for triglycerides. And because it contains large amounts of fiber, it helps improve the intestinal transit system, which is why it favors bowel movements and eliminates excess fat from the body, thereby lowering triglycerides in your body. Pineapple and celery are excellent options for maintaining good health, so don't hesitate to include them in your diet. Not only will improve your health, but they will also help you maintain fit. An additional fact, it is recommended to drink this juice before going to sleep because your body can take advantage of all the vitamins and minerals it offers. During the night, your body replenishes all the nutrients lost during the day. However, keep in mind that while this combination is effective for losing weight and improving your health, it is essential to maintain good eating habits, avoid consuming large amounts of fat, and remember to consume plenty of water. Thank you for watching. If you saw the entire video, please leave an emoji of a pineapple in the comments. Please share this video with others because many people need to know this information. If you want to receive these tips, please like the video, subscribe to our channels, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss them.